doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me.
Good morning. I'm sitting here on my couch. It's like 6:15 a.m. I've been waking up really early, and I'm not gonna lie, like my gym schedule's been like crap right now because of wedding planning and like Black Friday sales for the boutique, and I just feel like I just like haven't had time to go to the gym, which is so bad because I should be making time for it. And when I'm not working out, I'm usually not eating the healthiest either. So here I am with my French toast sticks. I don't really care though because these are amazing. JoJo! Okay. I used to love JoJo back in the day. Like, she was my jam. Fun fact, in 6th grade, I tried out for the talent show, and the song that me and my friend chose to sing was a JoJo song. We did not make it into the talent show. We were terrible, and it was so embarrassing. But anyway, I am in the drive-thru really quick. I'm gonna grab Starbucks, and then I have to go home and pack orders. We have tons of orders to pack today. Got to the post office. We have this big bag and all of this. If you place an order, thank you so much. You guys make my day, and I appreciate it so much. Back home now. Chad is mowing the lawn, if you can hear that background noise. And I'm sitting here editing yesterday's vlog, and it's taking me forever, and I feel so bad because it's going up way later. Last year, I feel like I edited the vlog that night and got it up like same day, so I vlogged on the 1st. This time it's gonna be like the next day, like Vlogmas Day 1 goes up on the 2nd, Vlogmas Day 2 goes up on the 3rd. We are decorating outside. So excited. Chad's doing the hard part. I'm just holding the lights. Kind of. You're doing great.
Kinda, sorta.
No, you're doing awesome.
No, I said you're just kinda sorta holding the light.
Yeah, because you just took it because now I have my camera. We got our Christmas tree, so cheers to that. But guess what? We can't even decorate it because we're gonna be way too busy about to start getting together our boxes for the wedding party. And I'll show you guys what we got as gifts for the groomsmen and bridesmaids and like kind of how we're putting it together and everything. But you guys, Chad and I are so exhausted. It's been just the longest day ever. So this is what we're putting in Chad's groomsmen boxes. He found these whiskey glasses, so I'm gonna customize them with my Cricut and put their initials on them. Here's what they look like. They're really cool. So we got these. I really like how it has like that bubble in the center of all of them. Like they all have that. It's so cool. And then we also got these whiskey spheres, and they're like these really cool black like marble looking things that keep your drink cold. Instead of using like an ice cube, you just put these in the freezer. And we also got these Ghirardelli squares for them. And then Chad picked out just like a bunch of different whiskeys, and then this for his brother because his brother doesn't drink whiskey. These with the customized glasses, the chocolate, and the little whiskey spheres. And then obviously they'll have like a card in there, which we have here. And it just says, will you be my groomsman? I'm gonna attach this to the inside of the boxes. For our nephew, who's the ring bearer, we got this little bear, because like a ring bearer. And then we got a shirt that I'm going to customize to say ring bearer on it. And this little mini water bottle that I may or may not customize as well. And then for the bridesmaids, I found these on Amazon. Actually, I'm going to put these in with the groomsmen too. They're just little save the date cards so they know exactly when the wedding is, because our actual official save the date cards have not gone out yet. And then I got these books also on Amazon. I think they're so cute. It just says, I can't say I do without you. And it's just bridesmaids notes, and it's just a cute little notebook. And then I got Barefoot Bubbly, and this is another thing I wanted to do if I have time, is create labels for these. I saw it on Pinterest where you can actually make them say, you know, something cute like Bride Tribe or like something like that. And then I got these stemless champagne flutes by Cupcakes and Cashmere at home, and they are actually iridescent. You can't really tell, but they're like an iridescent color. They're super pretty. I'm gonna be customizing those as well. And then I got these stickers on Amazon with Hershey Kisses that I'm gonna fill inside of their boxes. And they're just like super cute little stickers that you put on the bottom of Hershey Kisses. And we have some little diamond pens, which I thought would be super cute. And I got these really pretty ribbons to go on the outside of their boxes. And again, as long as I have time, I'm gonna use my Cricut to put their names on the boxes as well. And then for our niece, the flower girl, I got her this really, really cute stemless. It's basically like a stemless wine glass, but it's plastic because, you know, she's a kid. And then instead of wine for her, I got her Martinelli's like sparkling cider, just because I thought it'd be really cute. You know, kind of goes along the theme with the bridesmaids, but instead, you know, non-alcoholic. And then since she's a flower girl, I kind of wanted to go with like this flower theme. So flower this, and then this flower phone case. And then I found this really, really cute card. So I just love it. And then this little box is gonna be for her. We got all the magnetic boxes with like the magnetic enclosures on Amazon, and these are really nice, but the bridesmaids ones are all gonna be white, and then I just made the flower girls one like rose gold. Here's how the boxes look so far. Guys, it's literally midnight. I'm so exhausted. Chad and I have been working on this all night, but I want to show you guys how they turned out. So here's what we got with the save the date card, this, and then here's how the cups turned out. I think they look really, really cute. I like them. I still have to add the pens in here and then the Hershey Kisses, but overall, I think it turned out pretty good. I'm gonna decorate the boxes a little bit more in the morning as long as I have time. I have like a bow and everything. And then here's what the guys' boxes look like. And then we have like the card in here. And then here's how their cups turned out. So everything turned out really good. It just took us forever. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video.